Yo, what's happening, guys? Forex Aura right here, and today I bring to you a boom and crash trading strategy. But you must note that this strategy doesn't only work on booms and crashes, but it will work on any other market which is not choppy. Then we'll get into that on another video later on this year. And right now, before we get into the matter, please show some love by liking and subscribing to the channel. Leave a comment of what you didn't understand and what you understood or what you think I missed out on this strategy. But let's get down to it. So first of all, you don't want to be looking at the 24-hour chart. You want to be at least on the H1 time frame, right? And then you want to go to indicators, type EMA. Just take either one. You can take this one. Nope, we don't want the crossing. This crossing is gonna make us make mistakes. Let's delete it. Okay. This is the other one I was adding. Let's just type in moving. Yeah. Moving average. You might even put it right there and then cancel it out. And then the next step you want to do, you want to hover on top of the name here at the top left, and then you click this hexagon, and then you make this 50. Oops, make it 50. Once you make it 50, and then you choose your color style and whatnot, but I like the blue. Let's make it green. And then yes, there we go, there we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. So as you have seen that we have applied this moving average on top, how you're going to use it is like this. And then before we get down there, guys, there is a link in the description. If you do not have a Derive account, the link will be down in the description. Click it and get yourself a Derive account. And then, the resources to be trading that side or the education, you will find it here, as long as you leave a comment and subscribe for more videos. So what's happening is you want to be looking at your trend, right? How do you look at the trend? Is the market making higher highs or lower lows or lower highs? We can go either way. I need a simple arrow here. Yeah. But in this case, the market is moving in an upward trend, right? And then the market keeps on breaking these highs. If you get what I'm saying, the market keeps on breaking these highs, right? So in your head, you should know that um, you should know that we're looking for buys and we are scratching the sells. Can you see that? We are looking for buys and scratching the sells. The reason I love these markets is because they are always trendy. And trendy means you can always at least have something. If you get what I'm saying. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. So how you want these to be incorporated with your trading, they will help you align or get good setups. Just like here, you see that the market did what here? Let's see, where's that thing? Meanwhile, as I'm looking for this, take a second and like and subscribe for more. That's going to motivate me to actually bring more content your way. Here, I was looking for the path. So as you see that the market created this high there, came down here, came back up here, right? It's fine. Went down, and then when it did this, when it does this, like breaking the previous high, then now you know you're looking at what? A bullish setup. Then what did the market do in this case? The market came down to this level, right? You can call it a level, demand supply, however way you want to call it. But let's just stick to levels for now. It came down to this level, went up a bit, after going up a bit, let's take it straight, went up a bit, and then it came and touched this EMA. Now, this was going to be your golden setup. We're going to raise your ears and be like, you know what, it's about time. And then look at what happened. The market did what? Hit the level, went up. After going up, this is where you are supposed to look for potential buy entries. And as you see, the buy was going to be taken right here. Let's do it like this. we're going to take along here as it touches, as it touches. Putting your stop loss is supposed to be somewhere around here, but you can push it further according to your balance, right? And you take anywhere from 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2 to 1 is to 3. But now this was going to be a golden setup. And then we were going to repeat the same thing here. The structure was broken. The market broke a level, right? Going up. It doesn't matter if it goes a little bit longer or what, but eventually it had to stop and then coming back down, touching this, but it was not touching this as well. So it touched our EMA or our moving average, right? And then now you start to anticipate a buy. You start to anticipate a buy, and then as it came down, touching this level here and seeing its reaction going above the EMA again should let you know that now we are doing what? We are going to be moving upwards. So let's say you took this buy. Let's say you took this buy right here, putting your stop somewhere around here, right? We already have a 1 is to 2, a 2RR. See that here was doing 2 times. And look at how further it went, up to 4. And now, what do we do? We wash, rinse, and repeat. So, this is it for me, guys. Leave a comment, subscribe to the channel because we're about to drop banger videos and providing free trading education for those who are beginning, for those who are intermediate, for those who are struggling, for those who are professionals, just looking for other things to play around with. This will be your channel. See you guys in the next video.